Je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi.
Big Jeff Audio. Jeff Audio. Big Jeff Audio. Big Jeff Audio. Big Jeff Audio.
Put your foot on the base. Put your foot on the base. And pull up. That's good right there.
Big Jeff Audio.
So you need to extend the tent out for the corners. Once we get the corners fit, then we apply the Velcro. There are straps come inside. We're not gonna do it right now. Come look in here. There's straps to strap around this to hold these in place. All the sections get strapped and locked in place. The bottom parts here, put your foot on the bottom and then you'll pull up on the red tab to extend it. It also has stakes to secure this in dirt. And then let's pull the cables in here, one on each side.
Big Jeff Audio.
Okay, so let's stick it to the Velcro first. Hair Tricks is on the front. The logo would be on the back. Okay, Hair Tricks on the front, logo on the back.
Welcome to Big Jeff Audio.
First thing would be to do is to take the tops off of the table so they can fold them up. They'll fold the stuff on the table. Next they're gonna do is they're gonna un-Velcro it first, unzipper it. They're gonna pull down each side and fold that up on the table. And then what we'll do after that process is we will lower the tent back down to the bottom, and then we will bring it in a few feet so we can get the top off, and then we will fold that on the table. Once that's completed, they're gonna shrink the tent all the way in. There is a actual case right there made just for the tent portion. I guess you could probably put it all in the front. The front couch might even be for that. Yeah, I think it's pretty set. So then they'll use this stripe to house the actual frame, and the folds will go in the front. Okay, and then everybody at that point is going to get a leg. We're going to bring the tent down first to the bottom level, so you have to, not that one, you're going to do the bottom red to get your tent down. Go down with the tent. Perfect. Now what we want to do is hit the red black inside so we can walk the tent in a few feet. Let's walk it in about a foot or two. All right, keep going, keep going. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and get the four corners to pick it up over. Pull it back so it stretches out. All right, walk it back towards the vehicles. Okay, let's fold her up just like they would with a flag. Okay, now let's get it straight. Just like they do with a flag. Okay, now what we're gonna do is fold it in half, I believe, one more time that way. We're gonna flip it this way. You grab the end here. Okay? Go, you're gonna move down. Get it straight. There you go. Then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna walk it to the next person. First. Good job. Fingers. All right. Now let's get that in the bag. Okay, once they slip the bag over it and they get the bottom zippered up, then we can take all 5 pieces. That would be the 2 tables, the 2 backs, and the top, which should fit either in there or in that front pouch, I'm guessing. Putting the stakes back in, we didn't set those up, but they would need to be done at a show to place the wind. There's stakes there. Did it come with rope?
I did not see rope.
Okay, we'll need to get some rope, and that'll be in the bag also next time.
Looks like there's holes in the feet, and
Oh, it just goes in the feet, even better. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
no
probably
rope to
pretty,
clip on.
pretty cool.